Sunday morning at my place. Here we are. Parrots, the lorikeets, and the ducks. Let's see what happens when Mum goes out to feed them. They don't like me, they run. We've got 5 bowls out there we feed them with. We get so many birds. Most of the seed's gone. So. Let's see what happens when Rob goes out there to feed them. See how many of them run away. They don't run far. When I go out there, they just all take off. Here she is. Clear the bowls and putting the seed in. There they come. They're already making their way around her to go to the bowl that's got the seed. There we go. The cheeky duck there. There he goes. He's almost there. She's just a little too close. There he goes, straight in. Gotta grab the seed. There they all come. She's far enough away for them to come to that last bowl. There he is, moving across. Normally the white parrots stay and be cheeky. Here are the ducks. All the rest of the birds, the lorikeets and everything are waiting up in the trees. As soon as she goes, I'll be down, you watch. There she goes. One's moving away. Got some more ducks. And the lorikeets. We got any bread left, Rob? Quarter to 7 in the morning it is, on a Sunday morning. Here she goes out, throws some of the bread out. Gets rid of the waste bread. It's already 3 or 4 days old, that bread. As the heat starts building up, of course we're going to have to turn over the bread a bit quicker because it builds up, well, mould builds it too fast. Not like being in the colder countries here in Australia, especially here in Brisbane. Can't leave, like you leave the bread in the plastic bag and yeah, it sweats in there so fast. Within 2 days it's already mouldy. If you leave it out, it's dry, dry can be. Like you crusk it within 2 days. Oh, where's his parrots? The lorikeets are making their way in. Oh yeah, 3, 6, 7 ducks. Another 3 ducks. I don't know if you see them way down there. Another 3 ducks down there. I think my ledge needs a clean. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 lorikeets on the ground, another 10 in the trees. The ducks haven't made their way here yet. Here comes some more. Oh, magpie. The other ducks down the bottom don't want to make their way up here. It was fun watching the birds have feed in the morning, especially how it's territorial they get when they start feeding. The males and the females. Someone chasing away the others. Magpie trying to get in there. Another magpie up here. Another duck coming in. The lorikeets go mad over here. The ducks have it too. There he goes. Chicks away! Yeah! Ran over a lorikeet. Lorikeet telling a magpie what to do. A nice way to relax in the morning, just watching the birds feed. It can be fun watching them play, so, you know, fend off the others from the feed bowl. Like, too many here, get away. These lorikeets are always fun.
my god. Oh, Dennis is in. Oh my god, giant buzzards. Oh, we haven't even checked what they end. Yeah, but the bus. Did they change? That's like... Okay. Well, there's so many explosions.
Yeah, it's trying to give it. Yeah, get away, get away. Yeah. Woo. Go, Ducky, go. Again. No, I don't want you here.
You almost just walked away from the dead. Hey, look. Ow. Look, like, double click turn radio switch.
The females and the males, always fun. All right, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to go see a guy about a post. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. I found it quite enjoyable. I love watching the ducks chase each other. Lorikeets. Unfortunately, the parrots haven't come back in. Normally, two white parrots. You get the pink ones. You get the big white galahs. They come in, and they eat all the sunflower seeds. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed that. Nice and relaxing. Catch you again soon. See ya.